Hello, my name's Kevin Bandy. I am joining today from Atlanta, Georgia for a discussion with IoT Now titled It's Time We Talk About. Today's discussion is going to largely focus on a topic that is coming up a great deal, which is AI in the IoT space. In the last month, Transforma Insights covered a meaningful topic around single pane of glass, and they expanded that to really focus on what is a solution for managing such a disparate device estate. I think that information is essential as we start to look at AI, and I would highly recommend that anybody go back and review their analysis. But when you look at harnessing AI, it presents operational challenges, which is why I want to build off of what Transforma Insights shared last month. If you look at it recently, Cisco Systems announced something that 76% of companies say that their network is going to require support in order to adopt AI, while only 34% of people recognize that they're ready for AI. When you apply AI opportunity in the IoT space, AI is not the problem. It's an operational architectural problem, which is why I think having and continuing the discussion around a single pane of glass, or as Transforma describes it as distributed workflow management, it is foundational that we actually begin this It's Time We Talk About series here. So I want to break down 8 points that I think every enterprise should be addressing when they think about employing AI in their IoT ecosystem. Number one, you need a trusted system of record. Data has to be universally the foundation by which AI is measured as a point of success. Normalize operational data. Understand the consistent data relationships across your device ecosystem. Number two, contextual understanding, not just data. You need to understand ownership of the data, ownership of the device. You need to understand the security operational compliance of all the devices. So context really matters on top of clean data. Third, universal visibility. You cannot have a fractured control of visibility across a device ecosystem, terrestrial and satellite. No limitations of satellite or network coverage. You must have a single pane of glass for universal device discovery. Four, the word observability is thrown around a great deal these days. Visibility is great. Observability is great. Observability without control is no control for any enterprise. So data must have a control point that enacts action that is defined by the enterprise. Observability without action is just visibility, and that does not going to support taking action in a timely, efficient manner. Number five, workflow integration. You're going to find platform-to-platform necessity. Think about a distributed workflow management solution that elevates workflow up into platforms like ServiceNow. So you have universal IoT to asset management, universal IoT to control customer service and field service. Number six, governance and trust. If you don't have role-based access, audit and policy controls, you're going to fundamentally run into regulatory issues. Governance and trust should be a true tenet of true AI success. Number seven, unlimited scale. We're not talking about thousands of devices. We're talking about billions of devices and hundreds of networks. Do not incorporate limits into your AI strategy. And number eight, that all sets up to agentic operations. Data security control set up the ability to scale AI agentically. So if you're going to look at the possibilities of AI, understand the value of a distributed workflow management solution, and do not employ operational architecture problems into the success of your AI efforts. That is what I think it's time we all talk about when we think about AI in the IoT space. Thank you.